Hello everyone! I'm back for another video. As some of you may know from my Instagram, I recently moved to a new apartment and I've been living here for about a month, so I'm mainly settled in, but I still want to get some cute decorations and make it all cute and kawaii. So today I'm going to be going to Franfranc and Ikea and maybe Daiso and just running some errands with you guys today and buying some cute things for the house. If you're interested in Harajuku fashion, especially the Jiraike or the Ryosangata style, or if you are interested in life in Japan, please subscribe to this channel and check me out on Instagram. And without further ado, let's get shopping! Okay, so I am here in the Aoyama Omotesando area, and we are about to go to Franfranc, which is the cutest home goods store literally ever. Okay, so I got my haul from Franfranc. It's quite a big bag. It's still raining, but it's not raining too hard. So we're about to go walk all the way back to Harajuku to go to the Ikea there. Oh god. Politicians, they're everywhere. Anyway, so yes, we're gonna go to the Ikea. There's a few things I have in mind that I would like to get there, and when we get back to my house, I will do a nice big haul video for you guys. Alright, let's keep going. We are in Omotesando. There's a lot of like really bougie and expensive stores here, and also a lot of really cute cafes. Also, again, it's raining, so like literally everyone's got an umbrella. It's really pretty out today though, like it's so green. There's Louis Vuitton across the street, and this really pretty building over here, and just a shopping mall. Alright, so I'm trying out the new Starbucks chocolate banana frappuccino. Really, really good. It's got little pieces of candy in it, and perfect chocolate and banana flavor. Tokyo Rainbow Pride is happening on the other side of the street. I'm on the wrong side. I have some of these in the laundry room already, and they really are a great buy, so I think I'm going to buy a couple for the kitchen also. I'm not sure which color is best though. Smacker! Time to buy a smacker. Just being a menace in Ikea. I got the smacker. Need the smacker. Okay, I'm just about to check out at Ikea. I got a whole bunch of things I cannot wait to show you guys when we get back to the house. Alright, let's go! Hello everyone! Okay, so we are finally back at my house. Today was a really long day. It rained really hard. I didn't get as much footage as I want to because everything got really heavy. But we're finally here, and I'm going to do a haul of everything that I purchased today. So first, I want to start with, I actually ended up going to one of the 100 yen stores. Well, two of them. I went to Daiso and Seria, and they're both probably my favorite. I like Can-Do, but it usually doesn't have as good a selection as Seria or Daiso. So I do recommend these 100 yen things. So first I got these two ribbon sets. Got a black one, and I got a pink one, because I also bought a vase, and the best way to dress up any vase that's really boring is to put cute ribbon around it. Also, I'm going to put these in my hair later. Next, from Seria, this is a sponge holder. It is shaped like a little cloud and it's got a section on the back, so I'm really excited to use this in my kitchen for when I have to wash the dishes. And then when I was talking about the vase, this is from Daiso, and it's just a kind of, well, boring vase, but I think that it'll look really cute with one of these ribbons wrapped around it, depending on the color of flowers. So I really like this. I also like that the bottom kind of has a flower design. It's very nice and textured, so I like this a lot. These are from Daiso. They are pink storage containers with this kind of like sewing design pattern on it. I think that they're going to, one of them at least is going to go in my kitchen for sure, probably to hold like some snacks. But I bought 3 because they were only 100 yen, and they are so versatile and there's so many things that you can do with it for a cute pink house. So I'm really excited to use these. Not sure where yet, but I'm excited to use them anyway. All right, next let's move on to Franfranc. Now in total today I spent around $200, but considering how many things I bought, I think that $200 is a nice amount for a lot of nice home goods stuff. All right, so the first thing from our Franfranc haul is this kitchen mat. This is the small size kitchen mat, and the reason why I had to get the small, even though it's actually a little bit too small, was the medium size was actually too big. So this one's got a little bit of room where it won't fully cover the full extent of the kitchen, but that's okay. I'm really excited. I really like this black flower pattern, black and white. I think it'll be really easy to coordinate. My house is basically pink, whites, silvers, and blacks is kind of the main, I guess, goal of the house. So I'm excited to use this and use pink as a contrast. Next from Franfranc, I got this table mat. I recently got a dining room table, but my dining room chairs are actually made to order, so they will not be coming in until around June, I think. But I think that this would be really cute for a nice centerpiece. So I was thinking of maybe like this. So a dining table, and then this cute little mat, and then maybe some nice flowers or something in the middle. Next from Franfranc, I got this kitchen drying mat. It's pink and gray, again, kind of the theme of my house. And it looks like it's going to be really cute. I have a drying rack kind of above my sink. So I'm really excited to put this there for a cute little pop of color. And last from Franfranc, I got this nice towel set. Now these were around, I think, $29, and you get the whole set here. So it comes with 2 face towels. One of them has this cute little frill. The next is a dark pink one, and then there is a light pink full body towel. To be honest, I mainly got it because I thought it would be the better deal to get a bulk set. But as for body towels, I'm not really so picky because it's just going to like go on my body and dry off. However, like cute like kitchen towels and stuff I want. So that's why I think the smaller ones were a good deal, and the big one is just an added bonus. In total at Franfranc, I spent about $69. The cheapest item being the kitchen mat, which I think was 300 yen. And the most expensive actually being the towel set at, I think, 29. And kitchen mat was, I got no idea. All right, so that's Franfranc. Let's move on to the last and final store that I went to today, which was IKEA. Yeah. It's so big and heavy. Carrying all this shit everywhere was honestly the biggest pain in the ass ever, which is why I'm happy I went to IKEA last, because it's where I got the heaviest things. So first from Ikea, I got this, and the name made me crack up. I think I put it in the video. I think it was called like a strangler or something. Smacker. It was completely wild. I will say though, I didn't measure my drawer before getting this, so I have no idea if it'll actually fit the cutlery, but it was only 99 yen, so if it doesn't, oh well. Alright, this was in the clearance section, and I'm excited. It's just a small little pink mat. It's just like a light baby pink. It was only 1,900 yen, so about $19, and it was on sale from 2,400 yen, so about $24. It was probably in one of like their display things, so I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit, and I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it yet, but it was just kind of the perfect color and just the perfect design that I don't really care. I bought it. Alright, next from Ikea. As I mentioned earlier, I don't care about body towels so much. I only care about the ones that are kind of visible to people, like kitchen towels or bathroom towels. So these ones are the full-size body shower towels, and these were also in the clearance section for about $8 a piece. They're just these plain gray ones, but since, you know, my house is pink and gray and white, I thought it was perfect, and so I just bought 2 of them because my towels are disgusting. This was also from the clearance section. It's just a cute little jar. I feel like it probably had a lid once upon a time and Ikea lost it, so they put it on clearance. 69 yen. 69. It was a cute little deal. Maybe I can put a candle in it or something, or like candy. It's just a really cute little jar, so it not having a lid didn't really bother me too much. And these I actually already have in my laundry room, but I really like them. I think that they are a great size. They're really cheap. They're only 999 yen, so about $9.99. And they are just really, really useful. They have a little like handle. Let's open one of these up. They've got this cute little handle, just cute little baskets. You can put all kinds of things in it. And they're just cheap, and they come in so many colors. I bought pink and 1 pink one and 2 white ones, and these are going to go in the kitchen. In the bathroom, I have 1 pink, 1 white, and 1 gray one. So I'm really excited about these, as always, and that's why I keep buying them. Alright, so that is actually it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for shopping with me, and I hope that maybe this inspired you to want to buy some cute things for your kawaii house. I'm having so much fun decorating the house, and because of that, I would like to also make more videos about interior decoration. So if you are interested in like kawaii decorations for the house, please again subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in Harajuku fashion, especially the Jirai aesthetic or the Ryosangata aesthetic, or you just care about life in Japan and would like some kind of updates on how to survive here and have a good time here, this is the channel you need to subscribe to. Thank you all so much again for watching until the end. I think this may be a bit of a long video, so thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye!